Let's talk about how we can enhance our English language fluency. Here's a dialogue between two friends, Sarah and Emily, discussing how they can improve their English language skills. Sarah: Hey Emily, I've been thinking lately about improving my English language skills. Do you have any suggestions on how we can do that? Emily: Absolutely, Sarah. There are a lot of ways we can work on improving our English. First of all, we could start by reading more. Whether it's books, articles, or even short stories, exposing ourselves to different types of written English can really help expand our vocabulary and improve our comprehension. Sarah: That sounds like a great idea. I've wanted to read more, but sometimes it's hard to find the time. Maybe we could set aside a specific time each day to dedicate to reading. Emily: That's a good plan. Consistency is key when it comes to language learning. We could even choose topics that interest us to make it more enjoyable. Sarah: Definitely. And what about speaking practice? I often feel a bit self-conscious about speaking English, especially when it comes to practicing with native speakers. Emily: I understand how you feel. Sarah: But practice is essential for improving speaking skills. We could try finding language exchange partners or joining conversation groups where we can practice speaking English in a supportive environment. Sarah: That sounds like a good idea. It would be helpful to practice speaking with others who are also learning English. Plus, it could be a great way to make new friends. Emily: Exactly. And don't forget about writing. Keep writing short essays can help us practice expressing ourselves in English more fluently. We could also even participating in online forums to get feedback from others. Sarah: I like the idea of keeping on writing. It could be a fun way to track our progress over time and reflect on what we've learned. Emily: Definitely. And lastly, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Learning a new language is all about trial and error. The important thing is to keep practicing and never give up. Sarah: Thanks for the encouragement, Emily. I feel more motivated now to work on improving my English skills. With dedication and practice, I'm sure we can both make significant progress. Emily: Absolutely. Sarah: We're in this together. Let's support each other and keep pushing ourselves to become better English speakers.